Hi, I'm Danya. Thanks for tuning in. I'm here to give you a quick tour of the APHA website. When you want to know what's happening in public health or within APHA, apha.org is the place to go. And it's designed just for you, the APHA member.
Take our homepage. We have all the latest news from APHA and in public health, front and center. Browse our resources, webinars, and CE opportunities. Want to know what's coming up in public health? Check out our public health events calendar. And see what's happening in APHA news with highlights from the American Journal of Public Health and Public Health Newswire. You can check our latest posts on Facebook and Twitter, and don't miss the public health jobs feed at the bottom of every page. The apha.org homepage is a great page to bookmark. You'll want to visit often and see what's new at APHA and in public health. Get an overview of APHA here at the top of the page by clicking on About APHA. You'll see our vision, mission, values, work, history, and how to get involved. When you talk about APHA, this is a great page to refer back to. And if you need to get in touch with us at APHA, click on Contact Us. You'll find our main information and a link to the staff directory. And on that page, there's a list of everyone who works at APHA, and our names are linked to our email addresses. And you can find our phone numbers right here. A really easy way to get around the website is to use these menu items along the top of every page. You can find out what and who public health is, including a great definition you can share. And I'm really proud of our Topics and Issues section, which is a treasure trove of public health information. We cover topics like gun violence, climate change, and health equity. And if you go to that Topics and Issues landing page and scroll down a bit, you can see a list of all the Topics and Issues pages we have right now. And click on one of those pages, say Climate Change, and you can find some helpful resources like fact sheets, infographics, issue briefs, and more. And as you know, our policy statements shape the work that we do in public health, and you can browse all of them in our policy statement database. And that database lets you search by year and or keyword, and I'm going to enter in a term, say opioids, to find out what APHA's stance is on that issue. So by clicking on search, I see a list of 5 policy statements about opioids. Publications and periodicals is a great place to go for public health information. There's links to AJPH, The Nation's Health, and Inside Public Health, our member newsletter. We also have APHA published books, fact sheets, reports, and more. Check out Professional Development for information on continuing education, Public Health Career Mart, and internships and fellowships. To find out about APHA's big events of the year, go to Events and Meetings. You'll find everything you need to know about APHA's annual meeting and expo, the nation's premier public health event. And go here for info on National Public Health Week, organized annually by APHA. Up next, you'll find our news and media section with news releases, social media, and more. And get connected with APHA's member groups, affiliates, and more under APHA Communities. You can find sections, the Student Assembly, special primary interest groups, forums, and caucuses. And get involved in the public health conversation through APHA Connect, APHA's member-only online community. Find out all about APHA membership under APHA Membership. And speaking of membership, as an APHA member, you can log in right up here. Just enter your member number and your password. And then click on My APHA. This is where you can change your address or email, check your membership status, and check on your purchases and more. And once you're logged in, you can access all kinds of exclusive member-only content on apha.org, like archived policy statements, Inside Public Health, and the membership directory.
So that's our overview. Thanks for taking a quick look at the APHA website with me. Visit apha.org now to continue your tour and see everything we offer APHA members.